If you're one of the millions who play Genshin Impact, you've come to know that wishes are your key to new items and characters. Rather than buying something outright, everything is pooled into lucky draw piles for you to take a chance on what you want. If you're just starting or run out trying for that one character that you just can't seem to get, here's what you need to know. You'll first unlock the wish menu after reaching the library scene in Mondstadt while playing the prologue quest. New wishes or banners are occasionally released by the developers. Your game will automatically update to show them. To make these wishes to get items or characters though, you'll need to have fates. One fate makes one wish to receive one character or item. There are two kinds of fates, acquaint fates and intertwined fates. Acquaint fates are used for standard banners, while intertwined fates are used for time-limited ones. While both cost the same, they can't be traded for one another. To buy them, you'll need to have either Primo Gems, Stardust, or Star Glitter. Stardust and Star Glitter are awarded to you based on your previous wishes, depending on the sort and level of item you managed to draw. Either fate can be bought with either item in the respective exchanges under the Paimon's Bargains tab under the Shop menu tile. The current rates are 75 Stardust and 5 Star Glitter respectively per fate. Note you can only use Stardust to obtain fate in this manner 5 times per month for each type of fate. Using Star Glitter has no such restriction. Using Primo Gems are by far the easiest way to obtain fates, and can be exchanged under Paimon's Bargains for 160 gems per fate. Obtaining the gems themselves can solely be done by just playing through the game. However, if you don't want to spend hours playing, you can just buy Genesis Crystals, which you can convert on a one-to-one basis for Primo Gems. To buy these, click on the Crystal Top-Up tab under your shop menu, and choose how many you want to buy from these packs presented to you. You'll be brought to a purchasing screen to pay for your crystals. You can then convert your crystals to gems by clicking on the plus icon or tapping the displayed button next to your current Primo Gem count when it appears. If you like this guide, make sure to subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Genshin Impact and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.